Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix full storage on Redmi 17. First of all, I highly recommend checking our guide on how to debloat your Redmi 17 or the video on the first 10 things to do on your smartphone, because these two videos feature the debloating procedure that will free up 15 gigabytes or up to 15 gigabytes of storage by simply deleting the unused tabs that also clog up your device's memory and reduce its productivity. But generally, to clean up your device's memory, you have to go to Security application. Here you can run the cleaner for quick cleanup. To delete some data, usually you will not clean too much using it. Therefore, we're gonna have to return to Security and go to Deep Clean. In Deep Clean, we can quickly delete different apps, photos by going to respective category, for example, the apps category. Here you can select the apps that you do not use, do not need, and tap Uninstall, and instantly free up the storage of your smartphone. And in the same menu, you can check the amount of occupied storage on your device. As an alternative, you can set up the backup either locally on your other phone or on your computer, or back up your data to external cloud. The backup settings are located in Settings, About Phone, Backup and Restore. And here you'll have access to all the ways that you can back up data from your smartphone. And one other alternative is simply using a micro SD card, which you have to insert into your smartphone and format it to be able to transfer your data from your internal storage to your SD card. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.